Today we are at INEOS Phenol Antwerp for the research project Bioresal. This is an open innovation research project funded by Vlaio and supported by the Flemish spearhead cluster Catalisti. And in this research project, the research partners INEOS Phenol, Sumitomo Bakelite Europe, Kingspan, VITO and Gent University, they successfully collaborated to develop bio-based resins for insulation foam materials.
Within Bioresal, we use lignin, which is a very interesting biofeedstock, given its resemblance with phenol, though at the same time it's also a somewhat inconvenient material. It's not as reactive as phenol, it's a solid material instead of a liquid. Within Bioresal, we developed a new protocol to upgrade this material to make it more easy to use in applications together with our partners. The ambition was to bring it from science to scale. And after 3 years, we can announce that we successfully completed our first proof of concept production trial.
At the start of the project, Bioresal co-initiator VITO characterized multiple commercial lignin sources, among others originating from the current pulp and paper industry, as potential feedstock materials. To upgrade and make these lignin sources more compatible with the targeted resin and foam applications, different modification routes have been evaluated at lab scale. Already during these lab scale trials, the techno-economics of producing the modified oligomeric lignin fractions have been taken into account.
In order to valorize commercially available kraft lignin, Gent University performed a reductive depolymerization, whereby an oligolignin mixture with increased hydroxyl phenolic content was obtained, suitable for many types of applications and further modifications. In order to make more green and sustainable lignin phenol formaldehyde resins, we were also successful in partially replacing toxic formaldehyde by less hazardous glycol as well.
The project started at SBHPP with a rather broad lab-scale evaluation and a synthesis of phenol formaldehyde resins based on the many unmodified and modified lignin samples provided by the Bioresal partners. Gradually, we succeeded in optimizing the resin protocol to achieve the required properties of the resin for insulation foam production. We were very satisfied to see this result in a successful scale-up from lab to 400-liter pilot scale.
As Kingspan, we are positioned at the end of the value chain of Bioresal. Starting from lignin-based resins, we successfully demonstrated that we could replace partially the fossil-sourced phenol from the synthesis of our insulation foams.